Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog brush for shedding that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush for Dogs. The Hertzko Slicker Brush features a comfortable anti-slip handle and fine bent wires that penetrate deep into your dog's coat to remove loose fur without scratching the skin. Unlike tools such as the Furminator, the Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush doesn't just remove loose hair from your dog's undercoat. It also helps remove knots, mats, and tangles from even the thickest haired breeds, giving you more bang for your buck. Another thing I like about this brush is that it is very easy to clean. Thanks to a button that detracts the wires, you can simply wipe away the loose hair as you go. I also like that this is just as much a brush as it is a deshedding tool. I like this because the brush is designed to remove the dead hair while helping spread the natural oils of your dog's coat around. And this, in turn, can lead to a healthier, better-looking coat that sheds less. Overall, this is the best option for dogs with thick, woolly, and medium to long hair prone to knotting. And it's ideal if you prefer to use one grooming tool instead of a deshedding tool and a dog brush for everyday grooming sessions. The only caveat is that it's not the best option for shorter-haired breeds or those with finer hair. So if you have a short-coated dog, there are better options. Moving on at number 4, we have the DakPets Pet Grooming Brush. There's no replacement for the Furminator, but if you're looking for a lower-cost alternative, DakPets Deshedding is well worth a look. This brush was developed by pet grooming experts to reduce shedding by up to 95% and uses a non-irritation 4-inch stainless steel comb to remove the loose fur from your dog's coat. It's quite versatile, too. This deshedding tool is suitable for small or large dogs in short or long fur, and it will get the job done whether your dog is single or double-coated. This brush also features an ergonomic, non-slip rubber handle that is comfortable and sturdy. Not to mention practical, there's an eyelet at the end of the handle for easy storage and a plastic safety blade cover that clips onto the end of the brush. However, unlike the Furminator, one thing this deshedding doesn't have is a fur ejector button. There is a button on the top of the brush that, once pressed, detaches the stainless steel comb on the end. However, all that does is remove the blade. It doesn't eject the fur. So, it's a little less easy to clean as you go along, but nothing major. And the good thing about this setup is that you can use the stainless steel comb on its own, which can come in handy if you want to brush hard to reach places. As I explain in this article that compares the Furminator to other brushes, there are several reasons I prefer the Furminator overall, but the DakPets Deshedding is a great alternative, especially if you're looking to save money. At number 3, we have the GoPets Dematting Comb. The GoPets Dematting Comb is especially suited for thick and or longer-haired breeds. For example, the German Shepherd, Alaskan Malamute, or Chow Chow. And the reason is that it's designed to cut through stubborn mats and tangles that other dog brushes struggle with. This comb features a quality double-sided stainless steel comb and a silicone gel handle that is comfortable and easy to grip. One side of the comb has 12 teeth for cutting through knots, while the other has 23 teeth to remove finer hairs from the undercoat. The idea of cutting through knots may concern you, but this tool is safe when used properly. The parts of the teeth that contact your dog's skin are smooth and rounded on the ends, so the brush is designed to not cause irritation. And the inside of the teeth, the part that does the work, are sharp, so they easily cut through problem mats, knots, and tangles. You can also start with the wider, 12 teeth, end first, then use the more narrowly spaced, 23 teeth, end to finish the job. That way, you won't be pulling at your dog's coat while removing the mats. In any case, this is a very well-made dematting tool, and it's ideal for dogs with thick, woolly coats. It's also suited to double-coated dogs, meaning dogs with a top coat and undercoat. That said, it's not exactly a brush or purpose-built deshedding tool, so you will typically see better results by using it in conjunction with a tool like the Furminator or a slicker brush. Alternatively, if you're not too concerned about mats, you could try the Deshedding and undercoat rake combo in the next section. At number 2, we have the SleekEZ Original Deshedding Grooming Tool for Dogs. SleekEZ is a simple deshedding tool that removes dead hair from your dog. That's it. There are no fancy bells and whistles, just a dog hair remover in its simplest form. Think of it like a no-frills version of a Furminator that is better suited to short-haired dogs. The tool features an ergonomic timber handle with a patented wave pattern blade that removes up to 95% of loose hair. And it comes in 3 sizes, 2.5 inches, 5 inches, and 10 inches. This is a worthy contender to any other deshedding brush in the market because it works well and is very durable, given the simple design and quality craftsmanship. Also, depending on where you buy it, this tool is more cost-effective than most other dog shedding brushes. It is also made in the US and comes with a lifetime replacement warranty for peace of mind. So, while it may not be as fancy as some alternatives, this is a great option to consider. With that said, there are a couple of drawbacks to the SleekEZ shedding tool to consider. First, it doesn't work as well on longer-haired breeds. Before creating the SleekEZ, the product creator, Jennifer Tipton, was an equine dentist, so this brush was probably designed with horses in mind, which have short, smooth coats. The teeth may not be long enough to reach the undercoat on some dogs, and this is its biggest drawback, in my opinion. Second, it doesn't have edge guards, so it could potentially dig into your dog's skin around the edges as you brush if you're not careful. This won't likely be an issue, but it's something to consider before brushing if you do decide to go with it. And finally at number 1, we have the Coastal Pet Safari Dual-Sided Dog Shedding Blade. The Safari Dual-Sided Dog Shedding Blade is a simple, affordable, and versatile deshedder. It's similar to the SleekEZ in that it features a blade rather than a multi-tooth comb. However, other than the overall design, a couple of things make it unique. First, the blade is double-sided. One side of the ridged stainless steel blade features finer edges, and the other has coarser edges. This allows you to use the side of the tool that's best suited to your dog's coat and level of shedding. Second, you can use the deshedding blade with the handles together for smaller areas, which is how it's shown in the image above. Or you can unlatch the handles and cover a much larger surface area, which makes this tool extremely versatile. Having said that, it is more suited to medium to large breeds. And, like the SleekEZ, it's not the best option for getting rid of mats and tangles in thick-coated breeds. However, this Safari deshedder is an excellent tool for removing loose fur, and it's easy to keep clean because there are no teeth for the fur to get stuck in when you're brushing.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.